We spend a huge portion of our life in sleeping, and dream is a natural phenomenon in human life while sleeping. Though dream is a common thing for human, we do not have dream every night. Whatever we imagine in our daily life, those things and thoughts come to our minds at the time of sleeping. Dreams create a perception in our minds which can be positive or negative completely based on the type of our dreams. Some dreams are easy to remember while some are really hard to remember. Some remain evergreen in our minds and some fade away with the flow of time. Similarly, I had lots of dreams in my life, and among those dreams, I have forgotten most of them, but some are still fresh in my mind and memory. Last night, I had such a beautiful dream that it will remain evergreen in my memory always. Like every night, I went to bed yesterday and was fallen asleep as per my scheduled time. Suddenly, I discovered myself in a place which was full of flowers. The place looked like a fairyland and colorful flowers were bloomed everywhere. As far as the eyes could see, there were only flower plants with blooming flowers. Birds were chirping, which seemed like a melodious background music. Different butterflies were flying over the flowers, and bees were collecting honey from the flowers. There was a sweet moment when a blue butterfly came to me and sat on my hand. I was walking and wandering the place as if everything was happening in real life. After some time, I saw some pretty fairies were singing songs, and one of them came to greet me with a bunch of colorful flowers. Then she also started to walk with me, and we were reached at the bank of a beautiful river. The water of the river was blue color and white lotus were bloomed on the river. The day was sunny and shiny, sky was designed by clouds, and a cool wind was blowing everywhere with an enchanting fragrance. All of a sudden, I noticed a rainbow in the sky. The scenery was so mesmerizing that it looked like any painting. The fairies were started to dance and invited me to join. At the moment I was going to join them, I woke up with the loud sound of alarm clock. Every dream comes to an end of this type and shatters as soon as we open our eyes. The dream was so positive and happy that it has given me lots of joy and made me feel more energetic. This is the reason people believe that dreaming is good for them, because a sweet night dream can bring some good times and memories in our busy lives.